Forget the Leaning Tower, this is why you actually visit Pisa, and it's hidden in plain sight. Hey then guys, so we are here in Pisa and we're here for 48 hours searching out the best food we can find. We are walking down the narrow side streets of Pisa on the hunt for the #1 restaurant as ranked on TripAdvisor in the city. From the moment we arrived, it was clear these guys take their craft seriously. The menu is massive, covering most of the wall outside. Inside, we were greeted warmly by the team, and the traditional Italian deli atmosphere was a pure delight for the senses. Ah, perfect, thank you. We hear you guys are the best. We hear you guys are the best. Yeah? Come. How's that? Yeah, I'm gonna have to get stuck in. That is so fresh. Like, so much better than anything we get in the UK. I can see why they're the best. So, there is no surprise those guys are so highly rated. Absolutely superb. The sandwiches are just off the scale. The freshness of the prosciutto, absolutely on point. That truffle, I think even you enjoyed the truffle.
Yeah, that was really good.
It just 100%, and it's so local in there. No huge queues, absolutely fantastic. Definitely want to check it out.
For a proper coffee that's more than just an espresso and packed with local vibes, check out Filter Coffee Lab.
So next up, Nikki has found somewhere that does impressively big looking donuts. And it looks like a lot of other people like these as well. So I think we might be on something good here because there's quite a queue, but we'll find out in a minute. Well, that is a fresh lemon cream donut, and Nikki's going straight in.
Hot.
They are hot, yeah, they're just freshly made. They're good though. Fresh, sugary,
Yeah.
ridiculously full of calories.
Yeah.
And he's just cut this one open and filled it with lemon cream, so I'm hoping it's going to be a bit of me, something a bit tart. Oh. Yeah, that's hot. That's hot.
I'm very hot.
Well worth a 5-minute queue though. I'm going to put this down before I get very messy.
For lunch, we realised no Italian food tour weekend is complete without fresh handmade pasta.
And Nikki is wasting no time getting stuck in. How is it? After so much food, sitting down for another restaurant meal was a no-go. Luckily, Quarto d'Ora Italiano does amazing takeaway, perfect for sharing back at the hotel.
Staying so close to the Leaning Tower, we weren't keen on the pricey cafes at its base. Just around the corner, outside Pisa's walls, we found a lovely local spot that was perfect for a light breakfast.
And in probably the cafe with the best view, we are tucking into espresso and some naughty sweet treats after climbing up the tower. How is the brownie?
It's really good. It's warm, fudgy, you get strawberries on top, and you get quite a large portion.
Can't go wrong with that. When we said yesterday that Comodi was the top rated place on TripAdvisor for food, you may not have thought much of it when we got there and we were practically the only people there. Now, the interesting thing is, walking back this way now, this is now how it looks. It is mental busy. The queue is a mile long out the door. And yet we just walked straight up yesterday and grabbed what we wanted.
Wandering Pisa's narrow streets, we noticed locals gathered around ticking items on yellow checklists. It turned out to be the menu selection for Primo. Naturally, we had to join in.
Well, that is a cool little pasta shop, just nestled in these little side streets. As you can see, we have now got lunch, and instead of sitting around, we are going to go find a spot by the river to chill out and have some good handmade pasta. And thankfully, it's pretty easy to find your way around here, so no major need for maps once you've got yourself sorted with the main streets, because within seconds, we are at the river. And we found a spot to perch. Quite literally, just perch. But it is pretty.
Happy with your pasta choice?
You can't beat Italian carbonara. No cream, just egg, pecorino, pepper and guanciale.
Nice.
So good. The guanciale is nice and salty. The egg is perfect and it's just peppery enough that it leaves a little tingle on your tongue. Can't go wrong.
Fancying something sweet after lunch, it was just as well the top-rated gelato shop was just around the corner.
How's it?
Very chocolatey.
But that's the vegan one, isn't it?
This is vegan, yeah.
That's cool.
Dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. And we've got hazelnut, but try not to poke my eye out, but
What's hazelnut?
oh,
I'm gonna try it.
that tastes like Kinder Bueno. Here.
It's really creamy and nutty at the same time.
Yeah. Good old gelato in Italy.
Now it's time for our foodie top tips. Hit Comodi sandwich shop right when they open. Queues build fast after 11 AM and you'll want this legendary focaccia fueling your explorations, not weighing you down in a 30-minute line.
Those cafes at the tower base? Sure, they've got the Instagram view, but you're probably paying €8 for a cappuccino. Walk 5 minutes just outside the walls and you get a really authentic local vibe at half the price. Your wallet will thank you.
Pisa can be done as a day trip, though we'd recommend to stay a night so you can make the most of the local food culture.
This compact city lets you burn off every calorie guilt-free. Everything's within 15 minutes on foot. Skip the taxis, embrace the cobblestones and explore like a local. Your Fitbit will love you.
The best food experiences are all 5 to 10 minutes from the tower but feel worlds away from the tourist chaos. Follow the locals eating lunch, not the crowds taking selfies. That's where the magic happens. This food tour is just scratching the surface. Next Saturday we're dropping the complete 48-hour Pisa blueprint. Every hidden spot, every meal, every moment that made this weekend unforgettable. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, because if you've only got a weekend, you need to know exactly where to spend it.